Alright, so this is my attempt to demonstrate the power of the EVE Online plugin for Excel. Alright, I need to kill these guys, don't I? This is probably fine. So, bring up your Excel. You're going to want to go to the add-ins function to find it. You're going to want to go to get add-ins. Search for EVE Online. This is the plugin you want. You're going to add it to your deal. It'll pop up right here, which is under the Home tab. There's some things say it's under the Insert. I found it under the Home tab. Click on this to bring up, and of course you're going to get the log in your character screen when you first pull it up. Do that same CAPTCHA that you've done probably 100 times by now. So with all this, you get functions. Let's go ahead and try to start building a little spreadsheet. First thing I always kind of start with is your character card, which is nice. Now, interesting little fact thing about this is this root from one of these orders things over here has other things that you can pull from it, which means that you can kind of break all this out as much as you want, including an image. And then let's make this one 30, just to get our little face in there. Alright. Next thing, I kind of thought about doing was let me just import some of my mining data. So, went ahead and grabbed the range from the last time I took a little break. I'm going to have to expand this kind of stuff, move it around, but copy to clipboard, go back to your Excel. We're just going to paste it. Hey, look at that. A whole bunch of nice values. So let's see what we can pull from this. Let's get where's our total list? That's volume. Estimated price is right here. So let's just go ahead and run your favorite sum of the thing, which is a nice little shortcut to know. Alt equal sign. Move that down. Change that format to a nice currency based one. No decimal places, and let's make it ISK. So and let's just see how much we could have left on the ground had we been using ore miners, which I believe is this column. So equals sum of a range. Grab your range. Enter. And there's your value. Same format. So we left 12 million on the ground. That's pretty cool. Start to name your pages. Let's pull something else in. Let's pull in pulling the wallet data. So you've got 3 functions over here of things you can pull from as well, which includes corporation roles if you have roles. But for the character, you can pull up your wallet journal, click the try it out button to get a nice little busy thing, and look at that. So with this information, it's still got this tab here. You can go to, let's see, data type. No. Amount. That's a good one to have. Description. ID. Reason. Reference type. And you can take this information, select it, use your fat grab, which is when the big white cross becomes a little black cross. Pull down and drag, and look, you're dragging all the data for all this stuff over here using this. And just kind of continue. Okay, went a little too far. Looks like right here. Alright, cool. So now that I have raw wallet data, let's find good Excel practice and insert a couple rows in here. This one will be type. Then we can use the phenomenal filtering function right here to create a single selection for what we need. Let's just say I want to see how much I actually got from transfers. Player donation. Let's try that. Look at that. It's all the amount that I've paid out to my miners, which is, of course, all myself. And I paid a Slovak Ball 5 ISK, apparently. You could do a bunch of things with this data just by filtering. Let's just call this one car transfers. Grab your filtered information. Paste the values. We're going to auto format the width. Oh, that's why. It's because the FC complained about being poor. So, with this data, you can do your normal stuff. Get a sums. Format it correctly. So now, of course, this is, a lot of transferring in and out, and so this is just raw transfers. Makes me seem a lot richer than I am. Well, let's go ahead and get an ISK value. Let's get a balance. And I'll probably need to put this format on a shortcut. And of course, you want to do the good thing. Sanitize your data, do it correctly. You want to get your actual ID. So, as you can see, the power is here to do all kinds of things. PI is another good one, but let's do a blueprint list. Why not, right? Let's go ahead and go into just pulling up a list of the blueprints. Make sure it's just for us. Let's label our sources right. ME, what do we want? TE runs. And let's go. Material efficiency. And then time efficiency. And then runs. Grab, pull, get into the end, and it will self-populate. Look at that. So here's another way to do it: is you can select anything with one of these expandable characters as a cell and then just type a dot after it, and you can get all the flags that are on it. So it's another way of just kind of expanding this out. But with this, let's just go ahead and go type here as a tag. Let's pull up an image of it, right? That looks nice. Grab our data, expand. Good looking. Let's see what else we can get. What? Base price? Well, that's not really a good example, but these are. And expanded. Cool. Let's get this price in our preferred format. All right, another one down. Let's rename our sheet. Let's see here. Anything else? We could do a PI list. Let's see over here. We've got a character planet somewhere, right? Also, you can pull in public market orders. Market order streaming. Here's automatically updates every hour. Let's check it out. What is it saying? The example that it gives here is for this region ID, for this type ID. So a Dominic's blueprint for, I assume this is probably somewhere. We need more data, don't we? So what we need to do is pull in a sheet that says data. And we're going to go region and item data. The first one we're going to pull in is our region. Empty string will return all regions. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Hey, look, there's the region list. And from this, let's also get the IDs in a separate field. What else can we get? No, we already have the name. Data type? No, we already know what the data type is. Constellations? I mean, right? I guess if you wanted to. But right now I'm looking for a compact list of the regions. And actually, I don't care about the non-regions. So derelict is 101. So if we're looking for delve, which is here, I'm pasting the value here so that I can make this a static value so we can pull from it. Alright. Going into and copying the actual number, we can now get apparently the problem though is that there are no Dominic's blueprints being sold. So let's pull in some more data. Let's put in a row for sanitation. And then let's pull in the item data. Let's see what else we can do. So with the public information here, inventory search, sure. Type information for the given type ID. Type with dogma. Well, what's type with dogma do? I don't know. Let's check it out. That's boring. Does expanding it do anything? No, it's all 645. Let's see what group does. As you can see, you've got most of your functions listed right here. Solar system for JETA. What else can we do with that? Is it a hub? Sure is. The luminosity of the system, very important. Hey, Cheetah's in the forge. As you can see, you can just continue to build and build and build fairly quickly. Hope everybody learned something from this video.